Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Raymond. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Success Strategies, where we talk about all things crypto, strategies, tips, and tricks to help you be successful when investing in crypto. Hey, this video is going to be really short and sweet. I'm not even going to do an intro or anything like that because I really just want to take a few minutes and invite you all to join my Splash team. As you can see right now, Splash is currently at about $35.78. Just under 3 million in their AVAX balance, and just over 80,000 in their Splash balance. So again, this protocol is definitely moving in the right direction. You can see here it's currently at 35.80. And of course, you can follow Splash, the Splassive Network on Twitter, Discord, and on Telegram. But what I want to talk to you today about is joining my Splash team. As you can see, I have a little over 10 Splash deposited, so I'm eligible to create a team. But you can see right here, I don't have anyone on my team as of yet. And so that's my next phase in this network, and that is to try to build a really good, robust team. A couple of things that I want to do with my team as I build it up. I'm going to set a goal of 1,000 splash giveaway. That's right. All of the splash that I get rewarded from you guys is filling up or your recompounding. That's going to come in over here. And every week I'm going to give whatever this is, I'm going to give it away in weekly airdrops. And so that's my goal, is to set a 1,000 splash giveaway during my weekly airdrops. I'm also going to, and that's going to be eligible for all members, regardless of how many splash they have in their tap. I know some people put limitations that you have to have so many splash in your tap to receive their weekly airdrops, but I'm not going to do that with my team. Every week is going to be open to all of the team members, whether you are direct recruit or you are recruited by someone who is part of my team. Additionally, I'm going to add some bonuses for the people who do have larger wallets. I believe that guys should be benefited as well. So anyone with larger wallets, I'm not sure yet what I'll make that. Probably 25 splash or higher. You guys will receive a bonus airdrop. And I'm also going to do some bonus airdrops to my direct recruits. Anybody who signs up directly using my link or my wallet address. So those are a couple of things that I want to do as I build this team up. It's going to take some time to really start seeing some differences, but if you guys are looking to join a team, or you want to join a second or third team, or however many teams you have, please consider me. It's going to be definitely worth your while once we get this thing up and rolling. So that's my plan. Obviously, once I have a team wallet built up, which is 5 direct reports or more, any deposits that you make, you will receive a 2.5% transaction tax savings on your deposits. I'm also going to create some Telegram group and some Discord groups that are going to be private, specifically to all of my team members there, where we will share more information about the Splash Network and how everybody is doing in it. In addition to joining my team, I'm also going to have some games and some promotions that I want to do that are only going to be for members that join, and that are part of the Discord and part of the Telegram as well. And of course, we're just going to have a lot of fun in there. We're going to have some fun and games, do some promotions, like I said. And then there's some whitelisting opportunities for a protocol that I personally am working on myself. And so anyone who joins this team will have the opportunity to just be a part of a really great Splash team. You're going to have some benefits by receiving weekly airdrops, some bonuses for larger wallets, and some bonuses for my direct reports. So I mean, sorry, my direct recruits. So, like I said, guys, make sure that you at least like this video. Subscribe to my channel. That would be great. I really appreciate it. I've been trying to grow this channel for a while now, and we're making some headway here in our growth. And along with that, definitely want to start building up my Splash team, just to see how this process works, and If you're looking to join a team and earn some extra splash in the process, then consider me, because I'm definitely going to make that commitment of a 1,000 splash giveaway, weekly airdrops, and everyone who's a part of the team will be eligible for the weekly airdrops. It will not be limited to your tap size or the amount of splash you have in your wallet. So thanks for listening. I told you this is going to be specifically regarding building my splash team. Nothing fancy, nothing, no earth shattering news about the Splash Network. It's moving great. It's going in the right direction. You can see here on the chart that it's been a steady increase since its inception. Of course, you're going to have some dips here and there, but if you look at this line, it's moving upward. So I'm excited. I hope you are too, and I'll see you on the other side.